Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your Apple iPhone XS from Sprint. Alright, so let's just go over what this unlocking will actually do. So this is for people that want to be able to use another company, another carrier. You're not happy with your current carrier and you want to be able to just freely change to a different carrier and not be tied down to any company or any contract. Keep in mind, if you do already have a contract in place, you'll have to finish that somehow, find a solution for it somehow, because it is a contract. But with this unlock, you will be able to use another carrier with your iPhone. So that's what it's for. It's to be able to unlock your phone to use it with other companies. Also, if you want to travel overseas to another country, you need to have your phone unlocked to be able to use it with those other companies overseas as well. So that's what this video is for. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so we're gonna be showing you how to unlock your iPhone XS here. This one is from Sprint. So first thing you wanna do is remove the SIM card. So remove your SIM card that you're using, put that to the side. So go ahead and place the SIM card that you want to use. So for example, in this video, I'm going to be putting in the T-Mobile one. We're just going to be using a T-Mobile SIM card for the purpose of the video. So when you put in the SIM card, this is what happens. It goes straight to an activation screen. Go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi, very important. Hit continue. And you're gonna get this message right here, which says SIM not supported. So that means that the phone is locked to the carrier, Sprint, and you can't use it with any other SIM card. So I put in the T-Mobile SIM card. If you put in any other SIM card that is not Sprint, it's gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna show you how to unlock that now. It's really simple, and all you need is this special unlock chip that we have. And we're gonna have a link to it down below in the description where you can get it. And also you need a special code to put into the phone to unlock it, an ICCID code. So you're gonna place the unlock chip in the SIM card tray like this, and then you're gonna place the SIM card right above it. So I'm placing the T-Mobile one once again. And then just slide it in carefully into the SIM card tray. So here, once again, it's going to go to activation required, hit dismiss, hit continue. All right, and it's going to say SIM not supported once again, but this time with the unlock chip in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the power button, and the emergency menu is going to come up. So hit emergency call. Here we're going to dial *5005, *7672, *0#, and then hit the dial button. So this message is going to come up right here. All you have to do here is scroll down, go to edit ICCID. Here you're going to have to put in the latest ICCID code that is out, and right now it is 8901 4104 2792 0258 7523. So once you have it completely in there, there's also going to be the ICCID down below in the description as well. Hit send. It's going to say setup okay, restart your phone now. Just hit accept. And then here, we're just going to go ahead and power the phone off. Okay, then once the phone is powered off, let's go ahead and power it back on. All right, and it's gonna take us once again to this activation screen, but we're gonna hit continue. It's gonna be connected to Wi-Fi. And there we go. It completely unlocked it and bypassed the activation screen. So now the phone is unlocked. So yeah, the SIM card, the T-Mobile SIM card is not activated. That's why it says no service. But let me show you the great thing about this unlock chip now. Now, once the phone is unlocked like this, you can go ahead and remove the SIM card. Let's go ahead and remove the SIM card really quickly, the T-Mobile SIM, and let's remove the unlock chip. You can go ahead and put this unlock chip to the side right now, because we're not going to need it anymore. You can just place your SIM card that you want to use back in, and just pop it back in there by itself. And as you can see, the phone will stay unlocked. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and place in another SIM card. Let's place in a Verizon, just to test it out. Let's place a Verizon SIM card in here. As you can see, it's trying to read it. It says searching. No service yet because the SIM card is not activated. But yeah, so as you can see, the good thing is that once you unlock it with the unlock chip, it's gonna stay unlocked and you can remove the unlock chip. You don't have to put it back in there. You can just put your SIM card, whichever SIM card you're gonna use in, and it will work without the unlock chip. So that's a good upgrade there that these chips are having now. I put in a different T-Mobile SIM card. Let's see if this one can activate. Yeah, there you go. This one is activating, so this one shows T-Mobile. The good thing also is that all your data, calls, pictures, text messages, everything will work just normally. All right, everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to unlock your Sprint Apple iPhone XS. So hope that video was helpful. Go ahead and give it a like. And that's it for now. I'll see you guys around in the next video. And as always, peace.